Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Fab. Thank you so much for clicking on my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Fab. Welcome to another video. Before I get started, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn your notification on too, guys. I think I'm cute. Thank you so much to my new subscribers. Like I said, my name is Fab. What I do over here is weekend vlogs because your girl be busy Monday through Friday. So that's what I do. So if you are into vlogs and me being me, keeping it real, then subscribe. Alright, sorry that I had to start in the car again, guys. Today, you know what? Let me stop. Today is Saturday. Happy Saturday. Sorry that I started in my car. I woke up and was like, you know what, let me get ready and get my day started. I had a long week. Like I mentioned before, I do work a full-time job and I do other things as well. Not other things, but you know, being a wife and a mother, and I just have a lot going on Monday through Thursday. So that's why I do not record. I feel like I'm repeating myself, but I do know I have new subscribers. So I just wanted to put that out there. So yesterday was, oh my God, I was super tired. I felt like I had a long week, even so it was a short week at work, but it was so draining. What I do is so draining. Reading and writing, it's super draining. So yesterday I didn't get a chance to record. I needed to go to the store and stuff like that, and I didn't get a chance to do that because of that reason. I was so tired, and I thought I was gonna go to bed, and I didn't go to bed early. I was like, okay, I'm gonna go to sleep early, and you know, tomorrow I'll be all refreshed. But sometimes I do have a problem sleeping, staying asleep. So if I look tired all the time, it's because of that reason. It's because sometimes I can't sleep, and it's one of those times I can't sleep. I'm probably gonna get some fillers under my eyes pretty soon with these bags. So I just needed a day to reset, and it still didn't work out that way. So I did get some Starbucks. I got my white chocolate mocha. Yeah, I probably need another cup. That's how I'm feeling. Well, this vlog may be short because I'm not doing too much. I shouldn't say it like that. It's just, you know, this is fairly new to me, and I really don't care to actually record in my house like that yet. And not only that, I'm like, people don't want to see me do nothing, right? I don't know. I overthink things, maybe because that's the Gemini in me. I think a lot. So, and I'm like, another thing too is me running my mouth. I was like, people don't want to see me run my mouth for a straight 8 minutes, you know. So I tend to like cut a lot of parts off of my vlog for that reason. But then I'm like, okay, but then you not really get to see the real me, right? Like I said, I overthink everything. So I'm gonna do some retail therapy. I feel like I need it. I deserve it. So let's go. You know, I don't think I mentioned this. We're saving and stuff like that. So I am on a budget because your girl could spend some money, honey. Let me tell you, like, I'm rich. Let me stop. I got rich. I had to buy something. I could buy a box of chalk and I'll be happy because I bought something. This bootleg ass tripod. Last weekend I lost my nose ring. One of my nose rings. I have two, and I only get it from this jewelry stand at the mall. I think it used to call Pagoda. Is it Pagoda? That's how you pronounce it? But they changed the name. So, and the reason why I like that nose ring, their nose ring, is because it's thin. And I don't know if you can see it. It's super thin and it's not thick on my nose. And I have a fat nose, so I don't really care to get the little diamond. I had it before, but it just looked like I had a big ass booger right there. So I didn't want to do that. So I'm gonna get that. I got a few things from Mac, like old, you know how they say you can return, was it 20? I don't remember how much it is, how many it is. A few old empty stuff from Mac, and then you can get a free lipstick or whatever the case may be. I have a lot of those, so I said let me go ahead and give it to them because I'm trying to clean up just a tad bit when it comes to that. So hopefully I get a free lipstick. If not, I'm still going to buy it anyway because there's a lipstick I do want to get. Hopefully it does look good on me. So I'm thinking about doing that. And child, your girl eyebrows need to be done. All right, let's talk about these eyebrows really quick. Am I talking too fast? I really talk fast in person. Am I talking too fast? Oh, let me slow down. So this one here is more round, and this one is more, I can't even explain it, more squared, I think. Let me see. Yeah, because this one's more squared in the front, and this one is more round. So when you see my eyebrows looking all like their cousins, like I mentioned before, is because of that reason. I may have to start going somewhere else because I feel like they're not getting it. I've been going to them for a while, but lately my eyebrows haven't been the same. So I'm gonna go to them and explain it again. So let's see what happened with that. So I do need to get my feet done, my toenail chip, and like a super ugly. So I'll get my feet done, and I don't know, just a little time to myself and get a few things. I maybe hit up Sephora, may hit up, I'm not gonna go to Zara. I ain't gonna do that. I know that's my favorite store. I don't know, just walk around, just some free time to myself, basically. Like I said, I had like a long week, so that's what I'm about to do, guys. That's what I'm about to do. But don't forget to turn your notification on. Whew. Guys, this hair, I swear I do not like this hair. I'm gonna take it out, but I don't know what kind of style I want. If you've been watching me since I started in February, you probably noticed I always change my hair. Like, I like different hairstyles, but I'm thinking about maybe, but it's so expensive, maybe getting some tape-ins or some micro links. I don't know. I just want to switch it up, but ooh, that price, honey. Ooh, I tell you, I got a goal, saving. So I can't go over my budget, so I try to stay within that budget, but these stores. So there's an Ulta here, and I shouldn't even go to Ulta. I wanted a brush from Morphe that I wanted to try, a foundation brush, and I don't need nothing else. I do need more body scrub. I should do that. But yeah, so the TJ Maxx right here, they got the rack room here. I'm thinking about going in there just to look, guys. It's waste time, but I'm kind of hungry right now. I see they have this Mexican restaurant over there. I'm thinking about sitting by the bar, maybe. Have a little drink and eat a little something. I don't know. We'll see. The girl ain't got nothing planned. We'll see what happens. But I'll see y'all. I like. So I guess I ate dinner. That wasn't lunch, right? Whatever. So I couldn't even show you all what I had. I had like a chimichanga. The reason why I couldn't show you all, because this old man sitting at the bar kept talking to me, and I was like, you know what? Let me eat this food and go. He was like, oh, you got anybody at home? I'm just like, oh, Lord. Please. Can I just eat in peace? And I left my rings at home, rushing this morning. So I'm just like, oh, can I eat at peace? My business, minding my business, and just, yes. Daddy trying to get a stroke. Let me stop. All right, guys, so I got what I needed at TJ Maxx, and I didn't get anything at Ulta. I went to Ulta, but I didn't get anything from there. I was like, you know what? Don't do this here. So, and then I did go to Rack's room. I don't even know why I went in there, because I didn't like any of the shoes in there, but I had bought some shoes online, and I have to show you all. Hopefully I remember one day to show you all these white shoes I got from them. I think I ordered it online, so it's different online, that I like. So I was thinking about maybe getting those same shoes in a different color, but they didn't have it there, so whatever. All right, so I am back home. Look how my eyebrows look. What you guys think? Before, probably like last month, I was able to make them look kind of similar. I didn't have that issue, but this time around it was looking way off, so I had to tell her, and she acted like she didn't know. So I'm gonna see when I fill in my brows how it looks, and I can determine if I like them or not. For real, that's on the way. So I got my hoop, and this is a rose gold one. It comes in gold and rose gold. I think I had in my nose, was this gold too? Because this one is gold. So I got a rose gold. I don't care. It don't need to be a gold one. Because last time it was, I think, a rose gold and a gold one. So it didn't matter. So I did go to MAC. I still have a lot more. They were only able to take 12 items. So I'm like, okay, 12. So this is what I got. Hopefully it looks good. I mean, I tried it on, but I need my brown liner. So I got see-through lip glass. Do anybody still buy MAC? And this is Blanky. Is it Blankety? Blankety. This is how it looks. So I'm thinking about using a brown liner, the cork liner. How it looks. That's how it looks. And then the see-through lip gloss to go on top of it. Oh yeah, this is see-through, all right. It was free, so sure, it better for me. I'm trying to show you guys. Chill. Lip gloss. You see it? So yeah, I'm gonna try that out. It's free. Free 99. I don't have any more of my Too Faced Hangover Primer. I use 2 primers on my face. It's just something I've been doing for a long time, so I just got some more of that. I got my cleansing balm. This is the Pharmacy Clearly Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I've been using this for a while. I'll either use this or Tatcha cleansing oil, but Tatcha cleansing oil, I don't feel like paying $70 for that right now, so I just got this. Yes or no? Comment down below. Should I stop running my mouth or keep on talking? But please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Got everything set up. We'll talk about it. Okay. But she gon' slide right to my. Oh, that's creative. Harmony. Huh? Harmony. Harmony told you to do that? Yeah. Oh, that's super cute. Just pouring some drinks. Yeah, I want a double. Yeah, double shot. Let's see how this drink is, if it's hitting or not. Okay. It's hot as hell in here. So if I look all sweaty, it's sunscreen and sweat at the same time. I should go outside. You won't waste no time. They wanna know about the girl them. But she gon' slide right to my.